What up, YouTubers? Luis here. So we got our suspension all buttoned up for the most part. Our air tanks are just hanging there for now. I need to get this truck outside because I need to power wash the inner frame, especially like this area here and these tanks, so that I can paint the whole thing. So right now I pretty much just made it, you know, put the suspension on just so I can roll this thing in and out of the shop a lot easier. But for the most part, the hard work is done. In case you're wondering why there's so many empty holes with no bolts in them, these top bolts here are where the bed slides onto. And then a bunch of these over here, I'm probably going to have to remove a bunch of these, are for the tag axle. So, just in case you guys are wondering. But for the most part, my suspension is pretty much in place. I'm looking forward to pulling this truck out and cleaning underneath it. Look at all that rust. So, it's going to be nice to clean this shop finally. But anyways, so I went to hit the key before and nothing, dead. So me being me, I said, you know what, let's throw some batteries on. So I ended up throwing 3 new batteries. The ones on there were from November 2017. Now, a lot of you are wondering, like, why did I even bother with this truck? Well, the truck really ran well. It's no blow by, sounds good, shifted good, so that's pretty much the reason why we went all out on this build. But she's been sitting for about 6 weeks, so let's see if she starts right up with the fresh new batteries. And don't mind the mess in here, it's dusty. Look at that. Perfect. Truck hasn't seen daylight in about 6 weeks. So finally move it under its own power. I noticed this tank sprung a leak. It's because the former owner never drained this tank, so that rotted away. So it looks like I'm going to be replacing all the tanks on this just for safety measures. But there she is, up against the sun. Starting to see light at the end of the tunnel. Alright, y'all, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for your support. Still got plenty of videos coming. Still plenty to do on this truck. There's our boom. That's going to be next. Alright. Thank you.